In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Zen Browser. Now, there's actually no setting to do it here inside the settings. However, it's still very easy. Just follow my steps. The first thing you want to do here on your computer, you want to go down here to the search box and you want to type in run. When you type that in, click on the run. And then this is going to pop up this box over here in which you want to type in %appdata%, okay? When you do this, press OK, and it's going to open up a file explorer over here, and you want to go to the very bottom, and at the very bottom you'll see this Zen folder. Now make sure before you do anything you close down your Zen browser, so make sure you close it down like this, and then go ahead and click on this Zen folder. You can even check, as you can see there's gonna be the profiles in there, etc. And to completely reset Zen, you can just basically click on that and then click on this trash bin icon to delete it. And then when you close that and next time you open up Zen browser again like this, you'll be able to see it's going to basically start from the beginning. It's going to welcome you to Zen, and then you'll be able to go through the setup again, and you've basically successfully reset your Zen browser. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.